Chapter 3. Our Country. India is a big country. According to its size, it is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the 2nd most populated country after China. India lies in the continent Asia. India is a country of diversity. It has many religions, people speak different languages, and have different food habits. India shares its boundaries with many countries: Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Sri Lanka and Maldives are its nearest neighbors in the Indian Ocean. India is a peninsular country surrounded by 3 water bodies: Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. Indian states and union territories. India is divided into smaller parts called states and union territories. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. Telangana is added in as a new state in India in the year 2014. Each state has its own capital city, except for Punjab and Haryana. These 2 states share their capital, Chandigarh. Each state has its own government, which is chosen by the people of that state. Among these states, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state on the basis of area. More to know. India has the largest postal network in the world. It has a floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar. India has the highest cricket ground in the world, which is in Chel, Himachal Pradesh. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh share their capital with Hyderabad. Clothes we wear. India has diverse climatic conditions. Somewhere it is freezing cold. Somewhere it is scorching hot. Somewhere it rains heavily. Somewhere it is hot. The type of dress we wear also depends on the region. Like women wear sari, men wear dhoti kurta or kurta pajama. The women in India generally wear colorful dresses. Sari is the most common dress worn by women in India. There are some clothes that are common and popular throughout India, like salwar kameez, trousers, shirts, skirts, churidar kurta, and jeans. But there are some clothes which differ from state to state and are worn in that particular state. These are called traditional clothes. The climate of India. India is a vast country with different physical features like mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, etc. These land features play a great role in determining the climate of a place. When we say it is cold today or it is hot today, we are talking about weather. Weather describes the atmospheric conditions of a particular day, in a particular place, at a particular time. But when we say it is very hot in Thar Desert or it is very humid in Chennai, we are talking about climate. The climate of a place is the regular pattern of weather conditions over a long period of time. The clothes we wear and the food we eat depend largely on the climate of the place where we live. Our country has 3 main seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon. Some parts of India have 2 more seasons: spring and autumn. Winter season. The winter season begins from the middle of November and lasts till February. January is the coldest month. There is heavy snowfall in the Himalayas. As a result, it becomes very cold in the hilly regions. But the cold decreases as we go towards south of India. During the winter months, the nights are longer than the days. More to know. Leh in Ladakh is the highest city in India. The temperature in winters reaches -22 degrees Celsius. It is the coolest place of India. Water is always scarce in this area because this region hardly receives any rainfall. Summer season. The summer season begins from the middle of March and lasts till June. In the northern plains, hot dry wind called Lu blows. Dust storms are common. The sun is very hot and days are longer than nights. In the southern part of India, it is comparatively less hot due to the cool sea breeze which blows from the sea. Some areas receive heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. Hilly areas have pleasant climate. That is why people from plains plan a trip during summer holidays. Mangoes are the main attraction of the summer season. Monsoon season. The monsoon season starts in June and lasts till the month of September. During this season, the monsoon winds carry moisture that blow towards the land from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Some parts of India, like western coast and the northeastern states, get heavy rainfall. Monsoon in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. The average rainfall in our country is about 120 centimeters. Some areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat receive less rainfall. Now I know. India is a big country. It is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. India is the second most populated country in the world. The kind of dress we wear depends on the climate of the place we are living in. There are some clothes that are common and popular throughout India, like salwar kameez, shirts, trousers. On special occasions, people wear special clothes. India's climate varies from place to place due to its different land features. There are 3 main seasons in India: winter, summer, and monsoon.